Congratulations on your purchase of the LemurBox Retro DIY 1.0 kit. Now let's build it. The first step entails opening the box and spreading the constituent pieces on a flat surface as shown in the video. The LemurBox emerges from a friction-fit design philosophy. That is, you do not need glue or nails to put it together. It ships with 28 components that are split into 3 intuitive categories. 7 ceiling components, 7 cuboid body components, and 14 friction-fit keys and holders to maintain the structural integrity and hold things in place. We implore you to not be intimidated by this seemingly large number of components, as the whole process is extremely intuitive given the roughly cuboidal shape of the device being built. In our tests, even kids as young as 11 were able to build the device from scratch in under 8 minutes. Firstly, we attach the base unit or the floor unit to the back wall piece. Then, we connect the back-to-ceiling joint unit to the back wall piece. These 2 steps can be executed in any order. Now that the floor and back wall pieces are joined together, the left wall unit is ushered in to create a 3-faced open chamber as shown. Now, we focus on building the ceiling. Firstly, we connect the UJ joints to the ceiling separator and attach it to the ceiling bed via the first set of perforations provided. Then, the frontal facade piece is connected to the ceiling bed by inserting it to the second set of perforations provided. This finished ceiling piece is jammed into left wall as shown and locked into place by a friction-fit stopper lock. Now it's time to connect the right wall to the unit built so far. We recommend placing the unit flat on its left face and applying slight pressure on the right wall being inserted from the top so that it friction fits tightly. Now, you should see the structure of the cuboidal chamber emerging. Insert the friction fits locks into the slots provided. This ensures that the components are held well in place and we have a structurally stable unit before beginning the next phase. The next phase entails inserting the lighting panel into the grooves provided at the back of the ceiling piece forming the lighting chamber. Now, close the diorama chamber by inserting the door unit provided into the holder grooves projecting out of the back wall unit inserting into the left wall. In similar vein, insert the right door latch into the back of the right wall unit so that the right wall is well attached to the back wall unit. Now, the 2 45-degree beam splitter screen holder pieces are inserted into the angular notches. These, as seen, are carved into both the left wall and right wall and held into place with their respective friction fit locks. Now, for the final phase, insert the smartphone holder plate into the projection chamber. Then, cover the chamber with the ceiling cover attached to the frontal facade piece. Now, carefully unwrap the protective layers on both sides of the acrylic screen provided and insert it into the diorama chamber. Make sure that it is resting well on the 45-degree holders inserted in the previous step. That's it. Now, let's test the device we've just built. First, flip the lighting unit on. Then, insert your digital display device into the projection chamber and play some test content either using one of our apps or straight from YouTube. Congratulations! The LemurBox is now ready for exploration, science, fun and more. Customizing the aesthetics and extending the functionality of the LemurBox. Each LemurBox may be customized to look unique by replacing the front pediment flap with, say, the Greek Parthenon, the Japanese temple pediment or even a lemur-shaped one. Furthermore, we've also provided for a tripod mount adapter screw hole washer at the bottom so that you may connect your own tripod stand if required. For projecting 3D content, use the mobile device holder to slot any smartphone such as the Pixel phone or remove it and directly place larger projection devices such as the Amazon Fire tablet. The projection chamber supports most smartphones and tablets with 7 to 7.5-inch screen sizes including iPad mini. As shown here, as long as the 3D content projection device dimensions are roughly 5 inches width by 8.5 inches in length, you are good to go. To conclude, hope you have as much fun building and using the LemurBox as we had designing and building it for you. Good luck!